Tell them to bring me my money.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
Hey, yo, and we back. So on this episode, what I want to do is let you guys know some of the dark sides, if you will, that come when you decide to go down a path of gig work. More specifically, right now, I'm on a UberEats trip, and I want to talk about some of the good things, right? We was talking about some of the good, but some of the dark sides, some of the bad things that you may not know when you get started. So first and foremost, I'm currently on a trip, right? And I'm in this area because another one of my gig jobs, right, I deliver, it's just courier work. So work that I can do in the car. I deliver magazines and newspapers and stuff like that. So that brought me in this area, and I just turned Uber on while I'm doing the delivery, so I can kind of like double dip, if you will. I can make money while I'm doing something else to make money, right? But it ain't enough. It absolutely ain't enough. So if you look here, I am, about 10 minutes away from the drop-off location. And arguably, like, you know, anything can happen, right? You're out on the road, accidents, getting pulled over, right? All of the wear and tear that comes on your car, all of those things that happen, you're not compensated for. Like anything, you're right. You're like, there's a lot of stuff that, you know, if I make some deliveries, let's say I get $100 a week, that's $400 a month, that's great. But the last time I did my brakes, it cost $500 to replace the brakes and rotors. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now, this second, something else is going on with my brakes. And I don't think UberEats is gonna give me the money that I need to make it happen. So you spend a lot of your time, energy, and effort getting these people their food, but oftentimes it's just enough money to keep you afloat, right? You put a little gas, a little food, right? Maybe a bill or two, and that's pretty much it. That's all you got enough money for. You don't really have enough money to, you know, save, invest, live, do something different, fix your car, compensate yourself fully for what it is that you truly deserve with all the stuff that you sacrificed because of the job. So, you know, it's something to keep in mind. All right, I'll talk to y'all in a minute.
12 seconds later.
And then the second part is, once you accept the delivery, that's only half the battle, right? So you accept the trip, you go to the restaurant, you pick the food up, right? Not so hard. That's not so hard. You don't know what it is you are in for when you go to these people's houses. I'm talking about they might live on the 27th floor. They might live in a house that's behind a house underneath a house. They might got spider webs on there. Listen, that's not. I know that don't sound bad to everybody, but listen, I'm scared of spiders, man. So if you know what I'm saying, I gotta walk past with spider webs, I don't really want to give you your food. Like it make more sense if I keep it. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's hard for me. It's hard for me to muster up the courage and not take your food and knock the spider web down, because your food definitely is knocking these spider webs down. That gonna be me, it's gonna be us. We gonna do it together. But you got spider webs and you got like weird situations, and you got dogs, and like it's going to people's home, right, is already uncomfortable. But going to multiple people's home in a day, right, and then changing like the city you're in and the types of homes and the types of apartments and how much space and where they want you to leave the food, and then you got to take the picture. Sometimes my cell phone don't got service, man. I got Getro PCS. So it's a lot. It's a lot of behind the scenes stuff that goes on when you have to deliver for cash. Make sure you definitely do your due diligence before you get in this delivery game. That's all I'm saying. Now, with that being said, we'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching the video, and we're gonna overcome poverty together. All right, we'll holler.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.